Most people start a home garden the same way. They plant everything at once, for a few weeks. The harvest is great dot, then it stops, and the garden goes quiet. This doesn't happen because of lack of space or time. Dot it happens because of lack of planning dot today. I'll show you a simple system that gives you fresh harvests every week, all year long, even in small spaces with very little time.
This system works for one simple reason. Plants don't all grow at the same speed. While one is just starting, another is growing, and another is ready to harvest. When you organize planting around these natural cycles, your garden never stops. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's logic, and anyone can do it. You don't need many plant varieties. You only need a few that you actually eat. Lettuce, tomatoes, arugula, kale, green onions, peppers, and radishes already cover most everyday meals. Less variety, more consistency. Let's say lettuce takes about 60 days to grow. If you plant everything today, you harvest everything at once. Now imagine this instead. Plant part of it today, another part in 20 days, and the last part 20 days later. The result is simple. Once harvesting starts, it keeps going regularly. To do this, divide your space into 3 areas. They could be garden beds, pots, or vertical planters. Area 1, planting today. Area 2, planting in 20 days. Area 3, planting in 40 days. When Area 1 is harvested, it's replanted and goes back to the end of the cycle. There's always something growing. This system doesn't require much time. About 15 minutes a day to water and observe, and about 1 hour every few weeks to replant. That's less time than many people spend going to the grocery store. And the reward is fresh food every week. Every time you harvest, the soil loses nutrients. That's why, after each harvest, you add a simple layer of organic compost. This keeps the soil alive and productive without chemical fertilizers. You don't need a big backyard. A few square meters, large pots, or a vertical garden are enough. The system stays the same, only the quantity changes. The method works all year. What changes are the plants? In summer, choose heat-loving crops. In winter, focus on leafy greens. The system continues. The garden never stops. To sum it up, divide your space, plant gradually, and replant after every harvest. Start small. Follow the rhythm. Focus on consistency. Fresh food every week isn't a luxury. It's just a good system.